For those who have done the front axle disconnect delete on their 2020 and newer JT Gladiator Launch Edition, Mojave, or Rubicon, Yukon Gear's Dana 44 Chromoly Front Axle Kit addresses one of the biggest weak points left on your Jeep without the need for any compromise. By replacing your weak two-piece stock axles with these solid one-piece units, your Jeep will be more capable and more durable, and it won't leave you stranded out on the trail. Most JT owners never think twice about their front axle shafts until the day comes when they snap one on the trail, which is usually at the worst possible moment. And the front axle disconnect that is included on these rigs is a really trick piece of engineering. However, it necessitates a two-piece front axle, which is inherently weaker than a solid axle. And though most JT owners delete this system, sticking with the two-piece axle leaves your rig more vulnerable to that same axle snapping probability, especially if you've got other mods like big wheels and tires. But this kit from the folks over at Yukon Gear and Axle exists specifically to solve that problem, replacing your factory two-piece shafts with a single-piece chromoly axle on either side. So this gives you the strength upgrade without the factory weak point to contend with. This kit includes axles for both sides, and they are designed for a truck that already has the front axle disconnect delete completed. So you get a heavy-duty, fully matched setup for your Jeep that's going to get you where you need to go and back again, which is the most important part. However, the construction really is the highlight feature here. Made from solid, high tensile strength 4340 chromoly steel, these are about as solid as an axle can get. This material is incredibly tough, and it's used often in aircraft and racing applications for that exact reason. Now, the process that Yukon uses to make these also reinforces the heavy-duty construction. The process includes cold forming the splines, which is going to remove yet another weak point of the factory axles. Everything is then heat treated using an advanced induction coil technique to further enhance the strength, and the kit includes a set of 1350-7166 series U-joints and all the necessary hardware to get them installed. Pricing comes in at about $1,500 for the whole kit, which is a good chunk of change for new axles. However, the strength and durability of these cannot be overstated. This is not some generic run-of-the-mill replacement that's going to fail in the same way as your factory units. These are extremely solid and well built, and they are designed not to snap out on the trail. And as the saying goes, you get what you pay for. And if you want to ensure that your JT will get back home after a rough day out on the trail, or you just want to do some preventative maintenance and do an upgrade while you're at it, these axles are a worthwhile investment. Installation gets a 3 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the job should take you around 6 hours to complete. Now, this is more than a quick bolt-on. You will have to open up and drain your front differential and pull the axles out. This is an involved job, so before you attempt it yourself, just know you're going to need more than a few hours and some simple sockets to get this job done. However, this is designed to be a plug-and-play swap for your stock axles, so you don't need to do any other modifications while you're at it, aside from the front axle disconnect delete. Just know that when you do this job, it is going to be a bit involved. If you don't feel comfortable tackling it, call up your local mechanic or your favorite performance shop and let them handle it for you. That's going to wrap it up here for our review of the Yukon Gear Dana 44 Chromoly Front Axle Kit for the FAD Delete, fitting all 2020 and newer Jeep JT Gladiator Launch Edition, Mojave, and Rubicon models. Thanks so much for watching, and for everything Jeep, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.